How to fix Messenger auto logout problem. First of all, let's check our internet connection and make sure that it is connected to a properly functioning Wi-Fi. Secondly, go to Play Store, search for Messenger, then check if there is any update available. If there is, then update your device. If your app is already up to date, here's what you can do. Go to Settings, scroll down until you see Apps, click on it, then go to App Management. Scroll down until you find Messenger. Click on Messenger. There you'll see Storage Uses. Go inside it. Then you'll see Clear Cache in bright red. Click on it. And that's it. Your Messenger auto logout problem will be fixed now. If you liked this video, then please leave us a comment down below and tell us if it was helpful. Thank you.